Pips, points, and pipettes. Traders throw these words around constantly, but they don't all mean the same thing, and mixing them up costs you money. A pip is the standard unit of price movement in forex. For most pairs, that's the fourth decimal place. Euro USD moving from 1.0750 to 1.0751 is 1 pip. A pipette is 1/10 of a pip, the fifth decimal place. Most modern brokers quote prices with an extra digit for more precision. So you see 1.07503 instead of just 1.0750. That extra digit is the pipette. Now, points are where it gets confusing because the meaning changes depending on what you're trading. On indices like the Nasdaq or Dow Jones, a point usually refers to a whole single digit move in the index price, not a fourth decimal place. On gold, XAU a point is often the second decimal place, not the fourth. Here's the part that really catches people out. Brokers don't all agree on this. Two different brokers can define a point on the same instrument differently. Before you trade any new instrument, check your specific broker's contract specifications. Don't assume the pip and point rules from forex carry over automatically. So, pip is your standard forex unit. Pipette is a tenth of a pip for extra precision. And point is instrument and broker specific. Always verify it before you risk real money.